Anti-fatigue mat designed to help persons who have to stand for long periods of time on hard surfaces, which causes aches, pains and discomfort. These standing mats were designed to alleviate the associated symptoms. If you are someone who stands for long periods, you'll likely find an anti-fatigue mat to be useful, especially if you stand long enough for your feet to ache. There are many products available to choose anti-fatigue mats, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best anti-fatigue mats from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. TOPO Comfort Map by Ergotraven. This comfort mat is specifically designed for standing desk users. Touted as the not flat standing desk mat, the raise features causes you to subconsciously move your feet, or easily switch between sitting and standing, which helps to keep you moving and remove pressure from your feet. It has raised side rails, and can be easily positioned using just one foot. The TOPO standing desk mat comes in gray, black, blue and purple, and is made with 100% high-quality polyurethane foam. It is one of the most expensive options on our list, and can cause tripping, if you're not careful. However, TOPO is high quality, ideal for an office setting, and comes with a 7-year warranty, so it is a good selection for standing desk users. Positive side of this product: 7-year warranty, good for sitting and standing desks, well made. Negative side of this product: expensive, not suitable for people looking for a flat standing mat. Number 2. Gorilla Grip Anti-Fatigue Cushion Comfort Mat. Gorilla Grip is made from durable materials that won't compress or break down with use. It is ergonomically engineered with high-grade foam to provide you maximum support and eliminate pressure. If you suffer from sciatica nerve pain or experience leg and foot fatigue, this comfort mat can relieve stress in the knees, back, feet and ankles. The water-resistant material makes Gorilla Grip ideal for high-traffic areas in the home, such as the laundry room or kitchen. This standing mat can blend seamlessly with your home or office decor, as there are 9 colors and 6 sizes to choose from. Some users have detected a slight odor upon receiving their mats, and others have complained about slippage. However, since it is reasonably priced, water-resistant and does increase easily, it's a viable selection for your kitchen. It provides superior ergonomic support to help keep you comfortable. Anti-fatigue mats can help to relieve pressure and reduce fatigue throughout the day. Designed with 3/4-inch thick premium-grade foam for all-day comfort, soft cushioning combined with strong rebound helps relieve tired feet and ankles. Number 3. Vari Active Mat Groove. The Active Mat Rocker comes with a rocker bar to promote active standing. If you have a standing desk, it is a perfect addition to your office. It reduces stress levels and enhances circulation while you work. It also takes pressure off your joints and back. It is durable, has a high-density core and a thick, cushioned base for improved comfort while you stand. At 28.5 inches wide, the mat offers plenty of space for you to stand on, plus enough support for your feet, knees and hips. This standing mat is bulkier than the others on the list, and the footbar doesn't lock into position as some would like. But it's cost-effective, allows you to burn calories while you work, and complements your standing desk perfectly. Number 4. ComfiLife Anti-Fatigue Floor Mat. This professionally engineered standing mat can work well in your home or with your standing desk. Whether it's doing laundry, washing dishes or working for long hours, ComfiLife's padded foam mat reduces the discomfort in your feet, legs and back. Designed for easy cleaning and safety, this ergonomic mat has a non-slip bottom and is stain-resistant. It is made from antimicrobial waterproof material, and also has a textured surface and beveled edges, so you won't trip and fall. Users have found the mat surface slippery when used while wearing socks. However, it is stain-resistant, easy to clean, and non-toxic, so if you have pets in your home, this is a good choice to consider. Best-in-class high-density core provides exceptional fatigue reduction, and will not lose support over time with heavy use. It is engineered with optimal firmness, which will make you feel you are standing on the clouds, yet is firm enough to provide support for long periods of time. Number 5. Comfy Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mat. Designed as a kitchen mat, Comfy encourages good posture and helps alleviate stress and pressure points around the body. However, it specifically targets areas in the feet, ankles and knees. This perfectly cushioned mat is made from 100% high-quality material, and helps you to comfortably stand for long periods. Another unique element is the eye-catching design, a unique flower pattern that will add vintage elegance to your home. The standing mat was also made with your safety in mind. It has slip-resistant padding and tapered edges to prevent tripping. It is suitable for all floor types, and is 100% recyclable. This is one of the highest priced standing mats on our list, and has a tendency to crease in some instances. However, if you want a mat that will enhance your kitchen decor, this beautiful vintage design is a great pick. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.